basic point, the agreement is come to an end on the 9th of August, and as far as termination payment is concerned, it is not disputed. Termination also is not disputed by them. Preliminary notice of termination is not disputed by them. They have not disputed anything that we have said. That is the main point. But we have to give this background to it. That's why it took. Otherwise, 2 minutes. 2 points are this agreement has come to an end, and they have not responded to the termination notice. And as far as the quantum is concerned, see, we have a lot of claims against them. But the agreement provides that only termination payment has to be paid before we give up the plant. So we are saying pay us that at least. It is 100% of the book value of the plant, depreciated book value, or market value as on the date of termination is higher. Okay, which is we have given valuation report. It's not that we have just sat and said it is different. In fact, we first had said it is 12.8 crores, but then we made a revision and said it is 14.06 crores. And the court had directed 10% of that to be paid actually to us. It is deposited in the court on 31st August. 2000 rules earlier, when the agreement was in force, it came was in 2000. Even at that time, they required to do segregation, but it's no whatever happened in the past. 2016 onward, they are supposed to segregate and give us.
So next